It's Vicky Marie Living Life, and it is Vlogtober. I'm putting a video out every day this month. Today we're going to make brownies. These brownies are the best homemade brownies I've ever made. I should just say the best brownies I've ever made. Now, I really like the dark cocoa powder. Growing up, my dad always made old-fashioned fudge for Christmas. So I've always loved that old-fashioned cocoa fudge. And these are brownies, but they taste like that. And they are frosted. You frost them while the brownies are still warm, and it just seeps right down into that. This is only the second time that I've made these. The first time I made them, they kind of sunk in the middle, and this time I doubled the recipe, and look how great that turned out. These are my most favorite brownies. Do not make these if you are on a diet, and good luck. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. All right, we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. I'm waiting for it to heat up now. I found these recipes here on the All Recipe website, and I am going to put that link in the description today. I did double the recipe. Now I've greased my my 13 by 9.5 pan with butter, and I'm going to sprinkle some flour in here. So I'm going to melt 2 sticks of butter. That's a total of 1 cup of butter in the microwave. I'm going to pour this into my my mixing aid bowl here. Now I'm going to add the 2 cups of white sugar. Okay, I've got my attachment on here, and it says to stir this in, so I'm just going to do it very slowly with my mixer. So now I'm going to add 2 cups of white sugar to this. I'm going to turn this on low and add the other cup. I am turning down the volume in editing just so I don't, it's not too loud in your ears here. Now I'm adding 4 large eggs. I've added 4 large eggs and mixed that in. And now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And now I'm going to add 2/3 cup of cocoa and 1 cup of flour. Now I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to turn this up and make sure it's blended well. And now I'm going to spread this in my pan. Alright, I've got that all spread in my pan. I'm going to stick it in my oven at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes, and it says do not overcook. Alright, these are out of the oven, and make it out of the light there, but they look really good. Now we're going to make the frosting. Now for the frosting, I'm going to soften 6 tablespoons of butter in the microwave. So I've got my 6 tablespoons of softened butter and 6 tablespoons of the Hershey's cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of honey, two teaspoons of vanilla, now that that's all mixed, we're going to add 2 cups of powdered sugar, and I'm just going to go slow, blend it slowly until it's nice and smooth. Now that's a nice consistency. I actually added a little bit of milk to it just to give it that smooth texture to make it easier to frost. But that's perfect, and now we're going to frost the brownies, and you want to frost them while they're still warm. And that's the brownies. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Give it a try. Let us know what you think, and we'll see you on the next video.